Hello everyone, welcome back to Reefs. I'm super excited to have you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about how you guys can get to your first 1,000 followers on Instagram. Today's video will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to get to your first 1,000 followers. These are going to be in order, and I'm going to try to make this video as simple as possible for you guys to understand how you guys can get to your first 1,000 followers. I'm not going to try to sell you anything in this video or any course or anything, so for that I would just appreciate if you guys could leave a like on this video and subscribe with post notifications turned on if you haven't already. I've looked at my analytics and only about 10% of you guys are actually subscribed, which is really ridiculous, and you guys should definitely subscribe. Now, if you do have any questions at any point throughout this video, just let me know down in the comments and I'm happy to answer everyone. I go through the comments every single day and answer questions non-stop. I just love talking to you guys and love interacting with you guys, so any questions, just feel free to comment down below and I'll get to you. Okay, with that being said, let's get straight to it. First, step one, I would say pick a theme. Make sure you guys know what kind of content you are going to be posting on this Instagram page. Whether it be a personal travel page, or maybe you're making a theme page about cute dogs, or maybe you like cars, make sure you guys pick that theme that you guys want to go after and stay with that theme. I think this is very important to growing on Instagram, and also picking something that you're actually interested in will help you grow a lot. I think if you pick something that you're not really interested in, you'll get tired of it and not want to post in the future. I think sticking to something that you actually like will drastically improve your growth. So just find something that you like talking about, or maybe one of your hobbies, and pick that, stick to it, and make a page. Now, picking your theme ties into your name. I feel like the name is not super important. However, make sure the name is something corresponding to what the theme page is about. For example, I made this theme page in one of my videos, and the theme page was about TikToks and relatable content for teenagers. So I named the page Team Relate 2020. Once you picked a theme and a name for your page, you're gonna want to make a profile picture. Now, there's a really easy way to do this, and my recommendation for you guys is to actually just look up like the beginning letter of the name of the Instagram page onto Google and then just put logo after it. For my page, it was a T because Teen Relate 2020. So all I had to do was search on Google T logo, and you can go and find non-copyright usable logos that just are a T, and then what you do is you download it and put it on your profile picture. This is a super easy way to get a profile picture that looks professional and looks nice. You can also make your own, but that might take a little bit and you might have to know a little bit about a Photoshop. So I would just recommend, looking up whatever letter the first letter of the name of the Instagram page is and just looking up logo behind it. So that was your first 3 steps. Pick a theme, pick a name, and then pick a logo for the profile on Instagram. Now your 4th step is going to pick a bio. I honestly don't think this is super important. All I really recommend for this is to say what your theme page is about in your bio, and also give them an incentive to follow your account and stay active on your account. I'll put up a picture of an engaging bio, and pretty much you can copy this or change it up to match your theme page, because honestly I don't think it makes much of a difference about what your bio is. Unless you're planning to sell something, I feel like any bio really works. In the meantime, there are little things that you can do to increase engagement and the likelihood of them to follow, but honestly I don't think it makes much of a difference. But if you guys can pick a bio that looks nice, looks aesthetically pleasing to your profile, I think that's just gonna be the best for your page. Okay, so you got your theme, you got your name, you got your bio, you got your profile picture. Now it's time to choose the content. For content, you can either take someone else's content and credit them by reposting their videos or photos. Often theme pages do this, or you can make your own content. It just depends on what you guys want to do. It's totally okay to repost other people's content as long as you tag their profile and also do hashtag repost just to let people know that you're reposting this content. This is a super easy way to grow, and you can honestly pump out probably 3 to 5 videos a day if you just repost the content with credit. I would recommend doing this if you want to grow really fast and get to your 1,000 follower goal as quick as possible. As far as the content you're going to want to be looking for is content that is currently viral in your theme or niche. This content is blowing up in the past week. You can get this content on the explore page and repost it onto your profile. I recommend being consistent and posting every single day. Hopefully you can post up to 3 times per day. That would maximize your growth and get to your 1,000 follower goal really quickly. I honestly think consistency is a really big part of the Instagram algorithm, and I think that's going to be your key success to growing very fast. Now, the caption of the videos also matter quite a bit. You're not going to want to be using too many hashtags, and you're not going to be wanting to use too big of hashtags. And then also you're going to also want to incentivize the person watching your video that isn't already following you to follow you. I'll put up a caption that is actually incentivizing people to follow and a really engaging caption. You're also going to want people to engage with the post, that being saving the post, commenting, and sharing the post. This also, it helps so much with your content going viral and growing on Instagram. Now we're so close to being done. So you got your theme, you got your bio, you got your profile picture, you got your content that you're going to post, and you got your caption for the content. Now, the last thing and the final thing you guys are going to want to do to get your 1,000 follower goal is to pick a method of growing from zero. The method that I recommend from growing from zero is follow for follow. There's a lot of misconception about this, and I think it's not really fair. For follow, you're gonna wanna be following people that are actually gonna be interested in your content. You're not gonna wanna go follow random people. That doesn't make any sense, and they're not gonna have any interest in your content. You're gonna wanna go find people that are in the same niche and theme as you, whether that be on other pages or just on the explore page. You're gonna wanna follow people that actually are interested in the theme that you're posting about. Like if you have a car page, you're gonna wanna find people that are engaging a lot with posts about cars. Following those people are going to increase your chances of them actually following back, and they're probably going to want to actually engage in your content too if it's good enough. You really have to target who you follow and make sure not to follow a bunch of people at once. I would recommend only following about 100 people a day so that Instagram doesn't shadow ban you. And that's pretty much it. That's all my tips step by step to get to 1,000 followers. If you can do these perfectly and be really consistent with it, you can see this growth go up very fast. I've gotten pages to 1,000 followers in 2 weeks before, so you definitely can too. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. If you guys, again, have any questions or anything, I'm super happy to answer any questions you guys have in the comments below. Also, if you guys could leave a like on this video, I would really appreciate it for the YouTube algorithm, guys. Also, subscribe with bell notifications turned on. It would make my day. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my step-by-step tutorial to get to your first 1,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you guys. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.